All right, this problem covers the sampling distribution of a sample mean. It's 1998, question 1. It says, consider the sampling distribution of a sample mean. That's the key word right there that tells us, hey, we're looking to see if central limit theorem will apply to this. So, the population has a distribution that is highly skewed toward the large values. How is the mean of the sampling distribution related to the mean of the population? Regardless of the shape of the underlying population, the mean of the sample is considered to be an unbiased estimator for the mean of the population. So basically they're saying X bar equals mu because X bar is an unbiased estimator for the population. Mean. How is the standard deviation of the sampling distribution related to the standard deviation of the population? Well, the standard deviation of the sampling distribution is equal to the standard deviation of the population divided by the square root of n. So the standard deviation of the population this is the standard deviation of the pop. Of the population. And the standard deviation of the sample is that divided by the square root of n. So equals the standard deviation of the sample. So how is the shape of the sampling distribution affected by the sample size? Well, as n, the sample size, increases, the sampling distribution of the mean approaches the normal. This is really important because if n is greater than or equal to 30, we can use the probabilities associated with the normal distribution to make probability calculations. It's really important to notice the sample mean and know that whenever they say, hey, we want the distribution of the sample mean, and they're asking you to describe it, they're asking you to cuss. So make sure you discuss center, shape, and spread. Unless they give you more information than that, you will not be able to discuss unusual features. And if n is greater than or equal to 30, any distribution becomes normal. Obviously, the distribution of this population is highly skewed, so the distribution of the sample values would be highly skewed, but the distribution of the sample means will become normal if n is greater than or equal to 30.